Anticipation for the upcoming Galaxy S24 series has surged with leaked renders of the S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Recently, genuine-looking real-life images of the Galaxy S24 Ultra have emerged, dispelling doubts about its appearance. A Twitter user, David Martin, closely examined the device, asserting it to be an authentic phone rather than a dummy. Although the source of these images is unfamiliar, there's an element of uncertainty. However, credibility is reinforced by Ice Universe, a reliable Samsung tipster, who confirmed the authenticity of the pictures. This endorsement suggests that these may be the first accurate glimpses of the actual phone. The live images closely match previously leaked renders from OnLeaks, with some observers noting similarities with the Galaxy S23 Ultra or the Galaxy S22 Ultra. A notable change is the nearly flat display, featuring a subtle curve on the side edges, departing from the more pronounced curves on previous Ultra models. Another distinct change is seen in the boxy side frame, accentuating sharper edges and creating the illusion of the back glass being embedded within a protective frame. The leaked images also reveal the S Pen protruding conspicuously from the phone's frame, likely due to it being a pre-production unit, with expectations of a smoother finish on the final retail models. While these leaked images offer a detailed insight into the Galaxy S24 Ultra, a degree of skepticism is warranted. They could be inaccurate, fake, or represent color, material, and finish, CMF prototypes that may not reach the market. Despite these considerations, the images closely align with available information, providing one of the most detailed looks at the device so far. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.